Today's video is going to show you how to copy an assignment from one classroom and then post it into multiple classrooms. So I have an assignment here. I'm going to use my science assignment, chapter 12, lesson 2. And I've posted this for my 4th grade team. And now imagine I want to post it for several other classrooms at the same time, whether it be small groups. So I have the assignment. It's in my 4th grade team class. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into one of the classes that I want to post it into. So for this, I'm going to use test class A. So I go into classwork, I create an assignment, and I reuse a post just like I've done in the past. First, I click the class that I want to copy the assignment from. So here's 4th grade team. And then here's the assignment right here, chapter 12, lesson 2. You may have to look down. These go in order of post date, so you can see this one was just posted. I select that. Now you're going to want to create new copies of all the attachments, especially if you're posting it in several classrooms. Otherwise, things will start to get convoluted with a lot of classes being linked to the same document. So I'm going to reuse. And then you can see here I can make edits, any edits that I want to make to the assignment. But what's really important is right here, this is who you're copying it to. So right now I'm copying it to test class A. But I also want to copy it over to test class B. So I open that up and I can select test class B as well. I can select as many as I want. Once you select more than one class, you'll see that you lose the option to give it to individual students. So if you do want to do it to individual students, you'll have to do this. You'll have to repeat the process for reusing a post across all the classes. But you can select the classes that you want to assign it to. Go to the due date, the topic, just like you would before. And then when you assign, it will put it into test class A. Here's chapter 12, lesson 2. And let's just double check. Test class B, classwork, chapter 12, lesson 2.